is characterized by an uncontrolled cell proliferation. The cells divide into infinity. Some cancer cells diffuse into the body and lead to the formation of secondary tumors called metastasis. Nanotechnology is a promising strategy for cancer tracking, diagnosis, and therapy. The hybrid nanoparticles assembled several materials in multimodal systems to develop multifunctional approaches of cancer treatment. In the homunculus, read signal intensity shows where nanoparticles were located. Different techniques are used, as fluorescence, scintigraphy, tomography, and resonance magnetic imaging. Hybrid nanoparticles are multifunctional systems in which nanostructure as liposomes, polymers, nanotube, noble metals are incorporated inside or on the surface of a nanoassembly. They combine both diagnostic and therapeutic functions. They are composed of an inorganic or polymeric core and a polymeric shell. In thermal treatments, nanoparticles are activated by radiation. In gene therapy, nanoparticles siRNA mediate gene silencing. In pharmacotherapy, nanoparticle drugs induce destruction of cancer cells. Several nanotechnology platforms have been developed, and several clinical trials have demonstrated their anti-cancer benefits. Thereby, liposomes are widely used. Cantilever, dendrimers, carbon nanotubes, or emerging nano applications in cancer medicine.